Ladies and gentlemen, the day has come. My name is Manny and this is One More Reviews. This is a new YouTube channel that I finally decided to start. We're gonna do unboxings, we're gonna do reviews of the latest and greatest gadgets. We're gonna start with the S21 Ultra. Let's dive in. Ooh. Ooh. The time has come, guys. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's inside this nice little box here. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. It is gorgeous. Let me close this so I don't kill myself. Here we go. First thing we see is, oh, Samsung. Hello, how are you, Samsung? Nice little black Samsung thing there. I don't know what that's about. Here is the first look at the phone. Wow, that looks good. I'm just gonna put that right here to the side. Let's see what else we get in here. I was told that we supposedly get a 45-watt charger, unlike Apple, that's taking away the chargers from the box. So let's see this. Oh, no, I guess not. I guess they don't put the chargers in here either. They started jumping on the bandwagon, even though they made fun of Apple for doing it. So in this little box, we get a little bit of literature here. We get the USB-C to USB-C charge cable that goes in it. We're gonna put this to the side. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need this. This is what we are all here for. This phone looks amazing. Let's start by seeing this color that Samsung talks so much about. Boom. Oof, that color is nice. Man, this looks good. Wow. So they talked about this color for about 3 minutes on the unveiling of the phone, but I can see why. This is a very nice color. It's a very nice black. It's almost like a matte satin color black, but it reflects. It looks nice. The cameras, wow. This looks really good. So there it is, guys, unboxed, ready to go. This thing, let me tell you, first impressions, this looks gorgeous. It feels good in the hand. It's a little bulky and a little heavy, but I think it feels good in the hand. It feels nice. I really, really like what they did with the color. You got the side that's the shiny. You got the back that's that matte black. It just, man, it stands out. It looks good, especially the matte black, because you've got the Samsung kind of goes out, the shine comes out of it on the Samsung. And then you got the lenses, the glass of the lenses to kind of stand out. So it just looks nice. Definitely looks premium. I mean, it has a premium price tag, so it better look premium, but it definitely looks premium. It definitely looks nice. I'll be honest with you, last year's S20 Ultra, I didn't really like that grayish color that they came out with. I mean, it was okay. I think they could have done better. Apple this year came out with that blue that looks amazing. So I think they definitely could have done better on that color, and I think they did this year. I think they heard us. They definitely saw us making fun of that color and they came out with something nice. We know they talked about it for a long time on the keynote about this, but the color is definitely nice. Again, the feel looks good. I like what they did with the camera bump. It's kind of like the first time we see this. You know, since the iPhone started with the camera bump, every kind of company has, you know, the camera bump in the middle with the OnePlus, the iPhone to the side. There's always been a bump, but this kind of like, it's still a bump, obviously. It still protrudes out a little bit, but they put it into the shape, into the body of the phone. So I don't know, it doesn't look as of a bump, even though it is. Like, it kind of like comes in. Like, if you look at it this way, it seems it's seamless. You know, obviously this way you have a little bump, but I don't think it's a big deal. But first impression, guys, I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna look into this. I'm gonna put my SIM card in this and we're gonna do a week and a month review on it. I'm gonna compare it to the iPhone. I'm gonna compare it to the OnePlus, which is right now my favorite phone. So we're gonna do comparisons on all of them. I'll tell you what, I'm really excited about the cameras. That's one of the big key features that I think this phone is tailoring to. And I think that's what the S20 Ultra lacked in, which was the camera. I think they came out with the zoom lens, which was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, but it was more of a gimmick. Like, I mean, who needed 100 times zoom plus 100 times zoom that you can't even really tell what you're zooming into? So, but this supposedly they fixed that. They added another zoom camera, 10x, to give you a little bit better zoom. And it's not all digital, so that's pretty cool. And you know, still got that 108 megapixel, but they refined it, they made it better. And that's what you should do every year, is make the phone better. Last year with the S20, again, it lacked on the autofocus, it lacked in the zoom lens, it just lacked in a lot of places. And I think that this year, that's what they focused on. This year, that's what they wanted to fix to kind of bring out the phone that they technically should have brought out last year. So that's what I'm gonna be testing. That's what I'm most excited about, is to see that camera. The screen, everybody says it's amazing. It just looks awesome. I mean, I'm not surprised. Samsung always has the best screens. Hands down, my TV, Samsung, I mean, they just have the best screens. They look nice. And you know, I'm ready to look for that punchy color that Samsung always brings in. But again, guys, I'm excited. We're definitely gonna do a full review on this coming up next week. These are just my first impressions of the phone, what I think about it, what it looks like. But I can tell you that so far, I'm very excited on the phone, and I'm very excited to review it and to put my SIM card in it and to try it for a week and see what kind of stuff this gives me. All right, guys, so this pretty much wraps up the video for today. Tell me what you guys think about the video and what you guys think about the S21 down in the comments below. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel. I would much appreciate that. This is Manny signing out with one more review.